Tracking order status and viewing order history. Want to check the status of your current order or catch up on your past orders? It's seamless and effortless on the HDFC Bank SmartWealth app. Just log in to SmartWealth and go to the More menu. Click on Order History. You will see the order status as success, in process or failed. On each mutual fund, you will see tags of a buy or a sell. Additionally, you will also see if it was a SIP, SWP, lump sum or a switch. For deposits, you will see tags of FD, RD or tax saving FD. You can view the processing date and NAV by clicking on specific mutual fund transaction. For deposits, you can check the interest rate you will get. Along with the easy order tracking on the HDFC Bank SmartWealth app, understand why investment profiling is important. Details in the next video.